guys, so today I'm going to show you my new house tour. So I'm going to show you around the house, starting with this room. So this is the master bedroom. This is my favorite room in the house. So it got double beds, a bench, my workspace. We got a TV, some stuff. Over here in this room, we have a bathroom. So we got a double sink, 2 mirrors, a toilet, trash bin, toilet paper, and a bathtub. But the funniest about the shower is that the water looks like a waterfall. Look. The water looks like a waterfall. So, next room. We got this room, another room. I think this should be a guest room. We got another room with a TV, some like a chair so you can watch a TV. I think this is like where you can go outside. This is where you can relax and look at the view. So yeah. So and I think this is a guest room. Yeah, this is the guest room. Over here we have a kids room. So we have toys, pretend makeup, or whatever you can do here, whatever you want. Some toys. We got a kids bed, 2 of them, one for boys and one for girls. Next room. We got another bathroom. So we got a sink, a toilet, the same thing, and the shower looks different. No bathtub. You can just, if you want to take a shower in this bathroom, you can open the door. You can click on this black handle. You click on it like that. Just like that. So yeah. Next room. This area is a lounge, but I'm gonna call it relax area. So this is where you can relax, read books, watch, or play some games, whatever you gotta do. Or you can study. Study area. Next is the living room. We got a TV. I don't think I have a fireplace. I don't know. Maybe or maybe not. We got a couch with a coffee table. So I'm gonna show you the backyard later. But behind the kitchen is, oh no, I'm sorry. The living room is the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen. So we got an oven, microwave, dishwasher, microwave. This part, I think that's the cooktop. Refrigerator. This is the pantry. So over here, this is the entrance and exit way. So you can go wherever you want, or you can go to the front door. And that's my Tesla. So yeah. Whoa. Next room is this room. But this is my parents' room anyway. So, and this is another bedroom with a bathroom. But this time, yeah, got 2 of these things. We got another shower, but it looks like the same as the other bathroom. You open this door, you click this on this button. We got a toilet, sink, yeah, same thing, workspace, bed, no TV. This room has no TV. Oh, we got a makeup area too. Next is the laundry. This is my parents will do laundry. We got the washer and dryer, sink, pantry, maybe some soap, and this is where we dry the clothes. Okay, this is the office. So this is really, really important. We have an office in our house because this is where I can like do meetings and stuff. Meaning like my mom and dad can do meetings in here on the computer. So yeah. Oh yeah, like I mentioned, I'm gonna show you the backyard. So Let's open this. This is the backyard with two sun chairs with a pool. You walk here, and this is like a relax area. This is like where we do barbecue. Yeah, and I think that's all the house tour. So yeah, and we got the front door as well. So, oh yeah, I got a room with this. The view is so beautiful. So yeah, that's the house tour. So I really hope you guys like my new house. So if you did, leave a comment what you think of my new house, and like and subscribe. Yeah, that's all want to show you guys. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.